Alrighty, it is time to pull out your reading composition notebook. I'm going to give you 1 minute to answer the following questions. If you were an actor or actress, would you want to complete your own stunts? Why or why not? Again, going to give you 1 minute. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and find a stopping point there and move on to the next question. How is an actor or actress able to make a positive influence on the world? I'm going to give you 1 minute to answer that question. Okay, we are going to move right along to our last slide. On the last slide, you're going to answer these 5 questions.